There it is. Hamlet's Castle. What is up, everybody? It is your boy JH Caption here, bringing you another video in the Nordic Trek series with video number 8 today. Today we'll be checking out the Danish Maritime Museum, Hamlet's Castle, and the Louisiana Museum of Modern Art. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
Good morning, everybody. So, the reminder, I do love being on the mic, that's true. If you have not met our driver, Yusuf, please say good morning to Yusuf. He'll be our driver for today.
Hello, Yusuf.
We're going to start the National Maritime Center, this old kind of naval dry dock. This is where they take ships out of the water to do repairs, or maybe they even build them here, or used to. It's now been converted into a museum about the Danish shipping industry and Navy as well. That location is right next door to a very famous castle where Shakespeare set Hamlet. For those of you that want to kind of run over and take a quick little look, just make sure you're back at the bus at our appointed time. The last stop of the day is the Louisiana Museum. It's very much a background building, meant to be background to the art and background to the amazing site that it's on. And then we'll come home for the day. We're going to be walking around the corner a little bit to get to the Danish Maritime Center. So that's the entrance, obviously, this kind of ramp in here. The original competition for this museum was that the museum would basically go in this hole. So this hole was made for ships to be repaired. So apparently, what Big wanted to do, though, is they liked the hole. They thought this would be a great courtyard as well. But most of the exhibits and everything is under us, around the perimeter.
Pretty cozy. Sitting in one of these chairs, I thought it was going to be really stiff. It's actually quite cozy. There's a giant moat around everything, the drawbridge, and there's part of the wall. And there's the castle. Oh wow. Alrighty, so we got a ticket to Hamlet's castle, equivalent to about $20. Wow. Look at that door.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Wow. This is supposed to be the chapel.
Is this a Catholic church? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back then.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Staircase. Beautiful section of a water closet back in the day. So if someone takes a dump here or there and it just goes down into a pit. This is where you take your crap. Nice little view. Like, look at the furniture. Look at the detail and the craftsmanship. It's unreal. These paintings, though. It looks too lifelike. It's gotta be a photo. There's no way that's a painting. Nah, definitely a photo, for sure. 110%. Oh, that was worth it. I'm on top of Hamlet's castle right now. 145 steps to the top. Absolutely breathtaking up here. It's unreal. Let me show you. Guillotine. No, that's not it. That's what is this called? Stockade. It's a stockade, that's what it is. So, I guess we're beneath the castle right now. This is where they chained you up. Well, that's depressing. Not a fan of that. That was very eerie. These are massive. Look at these cans. So many of them. Talk, thank you. I don't know, that's one of the two. That's a cool picture. There it is. And let's go. So, someone bought a frisbee and we're all playing
The hard
catch.
part is
So,
the question of
it gets a little social interaction between the group after we've been walking all day. So that's good.
I'm assuming like
This next project we're going to see, we're going to go to the Louisiana Museum. I don't know much about the etymology of that name. I think it had maybe something to do with the collector's family or a spouse or something like that. This is probably one of the best art museums in the world. Like, it's up there with like the MoMA or the Louvre. By the way, it's a small museum. It's not nearly as big as those other two that I mentioned. The architects, their last names were Bo, B-O, and Volhart, W-A-O-H-L-E-R-T. And they collaborated on this building starting in the late 50s, I think like 58, something like that. And they worked on this thing for almost 30 years. It's got about 7 additions to it. Its goal of being background to the art and its site.
Place. Oh, yeah, these are creepy. Do not like them. Yeah, not a fan. Nope.
Isn't the plan of this building like amazing? Speaking of phones, I noticed that a lot of you are looking, when you were visiting buildings, you take photographs of the buildings, as you should, but then you're sketching from the photographs. I'm not 100% against that, because I appreciate that you're wanting to kind of like develop the works later, maybe in a better environment or with different pens or media. But what I would say to you is, don't do that all the time. We're in a unique circumstance here in that you're able to be in works of architecture, outside works of architecture, great urban spaces, in plein air, as Ryan Shortridge would say. And it's useful to try to develop I think it's one thing to sketch from a photograph, it's definitely quite another to try to sketch in real life. So don't only sketch from the photographs, is one thing I would suggest to you.